Hey everyone, James here from clickfactors.com, and today in this ClickFunnels review video we're gonna talk about main things you need to know before subscribing ClickFunnels software. First of all, in this video we're gonna talk about what is ClickFunnels, then we move to a tour inside the ClickFunnels, then I will show you examples of sales pages, landing pages, and funnels. And after that, I will review pricing and plans. I really hope that this video will help you to decide whether you want to try ClickFunnels or it's not for you and your business. Okay, let's move on. So what is ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels is a software that lets you create and build different sales funnels, from lead generation page to sales page, upsell and downsell pages to thank you page, all in one package. At its core, ClickFunnels is a software designed to help you capture more leads, drive more sales, and increase the lifetime value of each of your current and future customers, which is very important. You don't know what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is a proven marketing and sales strategy that produces a very good return of investment. Most sales funnels usually start with someone giving you their email address when they land on your opt-in page, which then leads them through sequence of emails and offers in some sort of logical sequence. A lot of popular and successful business owners have worked on this concept, and it became a huge secret of their booming empire. Sales funnels fit for all kinds of business. If you want to learn more about sales funnels and get deeper understanding, I would highly recommend to read .com Secrets by Russell Brunson. You can get it for free, the link is in the description. Sales funnels for many businesses are the core of success. So ClickFunnels helps to create not only the sales funnel pages but also entire funnel structure and architecture. And you don't need to have any programming or coding skills to work with ClickFunnels. There are many templates you can choose from and also customize it with drag and drop tool. So it's easy to set up your first sales funnel. With ClickFunnels, you can easily create lead capture pages, complete sales funnels, membership sites, affiliate programs, or webinar funnels. Okay, let's take a look at the tour inside the ClickFunnels. So once you log in into your ClickFunnels account, you will see a view like this. And here will be all your funnels. On the right, you will see how many visits you have, how many pages you have, and funnels you have. In this example, I'm gonna create a new funnel. So I click Add New. And now I have to choose my goal. Is it collect emails, sell my product, or host a webinar? Or I can create a custom funnel. But for this example, I'm going to choose collect emails. So now I have to name my funnel. And I'm going to name it test. And that's it. I click build funnel. And in the left we see all of the steps of this funnel. So first here is the opt-in page, and now I have to build it. So first step is to choose a template for my opt-in page. As you can see, there are many templates I can choose from. I can click and preview it. So it looks nice. Here is a video. Okay, I'm gonna choose a simple one. Let's take a look at this. No. Let's take a look at this. Okay, it's simple, it's clean and nice. I'm gonna choose this one. So I click select template, Now it's creating. Okay, and now and now I see my template. I can create a variation for split testing, but for this example I'm not gonna do this. So I'm going to edit this lead page. So, and here is the ClickFunnels builder tool. It's very easy to use. You just, if you want to change text, you just click on it and you can change the text. So it's very easy to do. Also, all the buttons, colors, and our settings in one page, and it's very easy to do. For example, if you want to change the background, you click settings, background, and if you want to use an image, you can search for an image, for example laptop, and you will get thousands of images you can use on your lead page. So I'm gonna choose this one, and that's it. The background is changed. Okay, so when I finish my editing, I just click save and I go back, and next funnel step is a thank you page. We click on this thank you page link, and now we have to choose a template for our thank you page. So also we can choose from many templates. Okay, I'm gonna choose also the simple one. Again, I can create a variation for split testing, and I can edit it and customize it for myself. The same builder tool, very easy to use. Just drag and drop. You can add elements. For example, I want to add an image. I just drag and drop, click on the image, choose the image, for example this one, add image, and here you go. Easy, very easy. I click save. Also you can add additional columns, rows, sections, and I can click preview. How does it look for visitors? Okay, and I go back. Okay, so we created a simple funnel with two funnel steps, opt-in page and thank you page. If you want, you can add additional pages and make much longer funnels. Okay, so also after you send visitors to your funnel, you will see stats of this funnel. You will see all the necessary statistics about this funnel. You will see how many opt-ins, how many page views you have, and it will really help you to make additional changes for your funnel. Okay, we go back to the dashboard, and here we will see all the funnels, as I said before, our new created funnel, and we click on account, and here are the payment gateways you can integrate into your ClickFunnels account. Also there are templates and custom domains if you want to use ClickFunnels on custom domains. So basically it's very easy to use and very easy to learn, because there are many videos that are provided by ClickFunnels, and this video will help you to understand how to make more effective funnels and how to make sales. Probably the best thing about ClickFunnels is that it is a complete system that focuses on the entire sales funnel, not on just marketing pages. Unfortunately, most of the marketers compare ClickFunnels to lead pages or optimized press, which is not justified at all. Lead pages or optimized press are page creation tools that just lets you create marketing pages like sales pages, opt-in pages, but ClickFunnels is a complete funnel creation system. So if you are comparing ClickFunnels to lead pages, it's like comparing oranges to apples. It just cannot be. Marketing pages are part of the entire sales funnel, and ClickFunnels focuses on the creation of entire sales funnel. This is the real beauty of ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is literally all-in-one system that lets you control your entire sales funnel, including billing and email marketing, all from a single place. This makes it a really powerful tool that gives you full access and control to all the individual parts of your sales funnel. ClickFunnels supports a whole bunch of other software, payment solutions, and platforms. Whether we're talking about payment gateways, email marketing services, or anything else, ClickFunnels will help you keep covered. You can integrate pretty much anything that you wish for in your sales funnel. It's very easy to integrate other tools and platforms to ClickFunnels, such as Stripe, Infusionsoft, JVZoo, ClickBank, ActiveCampaign, PayPal, Aweber, and others. Another great thing about ClickFunnels is that you get a lot of training material when you register. Even if you are a beginner and have no prior experience of dealing with marketing pages and sales funnels, you will still be able to use this system, and that's just because of easy of use and intense training material that you get with the purchase. So it's all about taking the first step and keep moving on to a better platform that make your life easy. Try ClickFunnels now for free. Check the link in the description for a free trial. Also, if you have any questions about ClickFunnels, just drop the message in the comment section below, and I will be happy to answer it.